Hello everyone, Happy New Year 2016. This is Casey Kopp. We're going to make the beef jerky Chinese style. Is called So the material that we need, you go and buy some beef, which is a beef steak, but it means from the supermarket. So when you bought it and you mix it with some of the spice. So you put soy sauce, but someone prefer to have a dark one. So you put 2 tablespoons. So you put 2 tablespoons, and then you put the flavor. That is the spice. Of course, ground cinnamon. So you put some of it, say half tablespoon. So you put it, and then you put this one, ground malt cake. And then you put it half tablespoon as well. So you put some of it, and then this one is coriander. So you put some of it, and you put half of the tablespoon. So you put it, and at the end of the day, when you want to simplify everything, so you got one called allspice. Because we Chinese have allspice, so we prefer allspice. So you forget every spice, and you just put allspice in. Okay, so you put some of it, and then you put dark soy sauce, and with a little bit of sugar. So you put how many sugar you prefer. It doesn't matter, because the first time you try it, and second time you adjust it. So say for this time we put it 2 tablespoons and some salt. Salt you cannot put too much because it will be too salty. The salt you say for this time you put it 1 tablespoon. Okay, and you put some oil. The oil is to the oil is to help you to burn it and to make it the flavor slightly different. And you can use a vegetable oil, or you can use a peanut butter, or not peanut oil. And so this is the already we make it minutes ago. So and then you mix with all the beef, and once you make it, and then you put it together, and you put a tin foil, and then you use one of the cling film. One of the cling film, you cover it, and then you roll it. So, and you roll it to about 2 millimeter. Okay, so 2 millimeter, and you roll it, and then you make it, and then you make it, and then you make it thin, and you put this into oven. Okay, so you put it in the oven, you put 160 degrees, and you put about 20 minutes. But when after 20 minutes, you turn it. You turn it, put it in the oven again for about 10 minutes. And you take it out, and you find the texture or the appearance. You want to make it slightly burn. Then you grill it for 5 minutes, and this is the end product. Before you have it, you put some of the honey. So you apply some of the honey into it, and then you dry it up. Of course, sometimes you have the oil here, then you pour it out, you don't need it. So, and this is the demonstration that it is too thick. So if you make too thick, that will become like that. So you make sure that you only make it about 2 millimeter thick. Thank you so much for loving the Chinese food. Bye-bye.